Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Nvidia RTX 3090 gaming PC desktops that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for the best gaming performance, premium build quality, and cutting-edge technology, this list has you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Skytech Archangel Gaming PC Desktop. While it's technically equipped with an Nvidia RTX 4060 GPU rather than an RTX 3090, this budget-friendly option delivers solid performance for gamers on a tighter budget. It's powered by the Intel i5-1304F processor with a base clock of 2.5 GHz and a turbo boost of up to 4.6 GHz, making it a reliable choice for 1080p and 1440p gaming. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a white edition Skytech Archangel case with front mesh for optimal airflow. The included 32GB DDR5 RAM, 5200 MHz, and 2TB NVMe SSD ensure fast load times and smooth multitasking. However, the RTX 4060 GPU, while powerful, doesn't match the raw capability of the RTX 3090. It's ideal for running popular titles like Fortnite, Valorant, and GTA 5 at high settings, but may show limitations with heavy 4K workloads. In terms of value, this PC is perfect for entry-level gamers who want a solid, reliable system without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability, ample storage, and ease of upgrading. However, its GPU limits it from being a true RTX 3090 competitor, and the build quality, though decent, doesn't match premium options. If you're on a budget and prioritize value, the Archangel is worth considering. At number 4, we have the Slate Mesh Gaming PC Desktop by iBuyPower. This system is an excellent mid-tier option, featuring an Intel Core i7-14700F processor and an Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, with 12GB of GDDR6 memory. While the RTX 5070 isn't an RTX 3090, it still offers fantastic gaming performance for 1440p gaming and light 4K workloads. The build quality is impressive, with a tempered glass case and 16-color RGB lighting that adds a stylish touch to any setup. Inside, you'll find 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz, paired with a fast 1TB NVMe SSD for quick boot times and ample storage. This system also comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse, which is a nice bonus for first-time PC gamers. This PC is ideal for gamers who want high-end performance for less demanding games or those who don't need the raw power of an RTX 3090. Pros include its excellent connectivity options, sleek design, and solid performance. However, its GPU, while capable, isn't as future-proof as other options on this list. For gamers looking for a balance of performance and affordability, the Slate Mesh is a strong contender. At number 3, we have the Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop, powered by the Ryzen 7 9700X processor, with a turbo boost up to 5.5 GHz. This system is designed for high-performance gaming and multitasking. The Nvidia RTX 5070 GPU with 12GB of GDDR7 memory offers excellent 1440p and solid 4K gaming performance, making it a great choice for gamers who want to balance power and price. The design stands out with its premium King 95 case and 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooling system, which ensures efficient thermal management even during intense gaming sessions. The 32GB DDR5 RAM running at an impressive 6000 MHz, combined with a 1TB Gen 4 SSD, guarantees lightning-fast load times and smooth multitasking. While it's not equipped with the RTX 3090, the King 95 offers exceptional value for its price. Its pros include top-tier cooling, high-speed RAM, and a sleek design. However, the RTX 5070, while powerful, may not satisfy gamers looking for the absolute best in 4K gaming. If you want a high-end system that doesn't quite hit the premium price tag, this PC is a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the Y40 Pro Black Gaming PC Desktop by iBuyPower. This powerhouse features the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor with a base clock of 4.7 GHz, paired with the Nvidia RTX 5070 Ti GPU, offering 16 GB of GDDR6 memory. This combination delivers stellar 1440p and 4K gaming performance, as well as exceptional multitasking for content creators. The Y40 Pro boasts a striking design with its tempered glass case and RGB lighting. It comes equipped with 32 GB DDR5 RAM at 5200 MHz and an impressive 2 TB NVMe SSD, providing ample storage space and ultra-fast load times. The included gaming keyboard and mouse make it a complete package for gamers ready to dive in. This PC is a great choice for gamers who want peak performance without going all in on a premium RTX 3090 system. Pros include its powerful CPU-GPU combo, enormous storage capacity, and modern design. On the downside, it's priced close to RTX 3090 systems but lacks the same GPU horsepower. For gamers and creators who value storage and multitasking, the Y40 Pro is a top-notch option. Finally, at number 1, we have the LCGS View 390 AIO liquid-cooled CPU gaming PC by Thermaltake. This is the ultimate gaming machine, featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor and the Nvidia RTX 3090 GPU with 24 GB of GDDR6X memory. It's designed for gamers who demand the absolute best, delivering unmatched performance in 4K gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. The build quality is exceptional. With a full tower case featuring 3-sided tempered glass panels and a 360mm liquid cooling system to keep temperatures in check during heavy workloads. The 16 GB tough RAM DDR4 may seem modest, but it's sufficient for most gaming needs. And the 1 TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast data transfer speeds. While it's the most expensive option on the list, the LCGS View 390 justifies its price with premium components and top-tier performance. Pros include its raw GPU power, efficient cooling, and stunning design. However, its high price and older DDR4 memory may deter budget-conscious buyers. If you want the best RTX 3090 system on the market, look no further than the LCGS View 390. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.